Kanitha-inĩ wa Faith Evangelistic itũra-inĩ rĩa Karen, Nairobi, nĩkuo bamĩrĩ na arata a Chris Kirubi magomanire gũtabania igongona rĩa kũririkana mũtũrĩre wake. Bamĩrĩ yake yugĩte Kirubi nĩwe ũramaheaga mwerekera mũtũrĩre-inĩ na ararĩ kĩonereria kĩa ũgacĩru maũndũ-inĩ matiganĩte.
He was my grandfather and so much more. He taught me many things, like to be strong, true, to always follow my dreams, or being fearless, but most of all, to be brave.
Uncle Chris always challenged us to do better and to be better. He was a man of many talents, and I was always amazed by his intent and his intuition.
He held our family together, and he took it on his shoulders to take care of his sisters and his brothers.
Igongona-inĩ rĩrĩ, mĩario ya ateti yonanĩtie Kirubi nĩ arohithanagia ngwatanĩro nyingĩ cia kĩũteti o ũndũ ũmwe na gũcaria ũgacĩru wa ũtongoria bũrũri-inĩ.
There was now this issue of how do we form the grand coalition government. But Chris came and passionately pleaded with me to agree at least to have a dialogue with Kibaki at that time.
Personally remember him came to my house in the company, this was in January 2008, in the company of two other great men. And then Chris joined them. The mission was simple. It was to tell me, you have to act in a manner that saves our country. And that is how I became our country's 10th vice president.
And when it was impossible to do business in Nairobi, it was Chris who came up with the idea of making sure that Nairobi goes back to the national government politically. It was Kirubi who designed the Sonko Igathe ticket.
Mwena-inĩ wake mũtumia wa mũnini wa President Rachel Ruto augĩte Kirubi ararĩ mwĩtigĩri Ngai na ananyitĩrĩra tabarĩra yake ya kũhoera bũrũri.
And when I gave him the figure, he said that he was going to pay the entire amount and that now dinner should be served. Chris was a giver. It surprised all of us because it was not little money, as you know, it was in the millions, but he gave it all.
Arĩa mararutaga wĩra rungu rwake maugĩte maramuonaga ta mũruti wĩra ũngĩ nĩ ũndũ wa ũnyitanĩri wake.
What seemed to make Dr. Kirubi stand out was his uncanny ability to quickly understand business strategies and approaches from start to finish. He relied on his numerous years of experience and gut feelings and put his personal guarantee behind every venture he pursued.
Na ulioyafanya mazuri mbele atakuokoa. Amina Rabi Amina, nenda salama bosi wangu.
Atongoria kuma mabũrũri ma nanja onao nĩ macakaĩte hamwe na bamĩrĩ yake, amwe magĩtũma ndũmĩrĩri igongona-inĩ rĩrĩ. Chris Kirubi agathikwo rũciũ mũgũnda-inĩ wake Thika, kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Getwo Karo, Kenyugo Mwaura.